Okay, so it's finally October 9th. We are finally getting the car repaired. I just got back from school. It is currently 2:25. It was a drive to get back home. My cousin is helping me pull the parts. He's all the way in the back just because last time I was able to get it onto my car, but I couldn't get him out. So I asked him if he could just help me bring him over because he has an SUV. Yeah, I'm nervous and excited at the same time just because I don't know how long this is going to take to get this fixed and what they're going to say. Last thing we spoke of, it was good. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm hoping to record all of this and the process to getting this repaired. The cost for the front bumper, just to get it painted, is going to be like $600. I don't know if that's like reasonable. I have no idea. That doesn't include like them installing it either. I'm going to ask them to see if we can work something out. Maybe figure some kind of pricing. But that's at least that for now. We'll talk soon. Yeah, this is a documentary. All right, video update. I just finished talking with the people. So for the front bumper, what he said was that they're not able to do it just because the parts. So the bumper I got doesn't have this, and I want him to cut it, but he said he doesn't want to do it just because then he doesn't want to like make me DIY it. And to be fair, yeah, there are a lot. You can see I don't know if you can see that. There's like a wire in there that I also have to like run. I wish I had the car to myself so I could just test fit it, like mold the bumper a little better and then like fix that. But what we're gonna do now is, because there's another problem, he's gonna take the back bumper, he's gonna repair that. He's gonna paint it, fix that panel right there, fix this panel, fix the rims. But he said that because of this, since it's rusting, that there's a chance he might, like, the insurance might total the car. I can't believe I just got my first car and now it might be totaled. So yeah, I guess the game plan now is have him fix this, and then he said that at least in the meantime, once that gets fixed, once I get the vehicle back, I'm going to then remove this, test fit it myself, and he said he could have it painted in a few days. So this whole process is going to take at least 3 weeks now. So I don't know. I was hoping this would take 2 days. No, maybe that's a lie. I was hoping it would take at least a week, not a month, another month without a car. I'm not gonna have my vehicle for a month. So this is my final goodbyes, and then it's pretty much gone from there. And it's no longer in my hands. Yeah. The problem is if I leave this with them, the front bumper, and then I tell them to paint it, I don't have a way to test fit it myself, so I don't know if it's actually going to fit, and I can't test fit it because I don't even know if they're going to total the vehicle. Yeah, anyway, the car's empty. I don't think there's anything of great importance in here, to be quite honest with you. I just got to double check that I didn't leave anything of importance in my vehicle. Nothing there, nothing here, except some deodorant and some that. I hope they don't total the car. Nope, nothing in there. Nothing in there except the water bottle. Parts are here. Nothing there. My quarters are here. I don't know if I should take my quarters. I think I should. I feel like they might take them. Dude, that's what my brother did. I gotta clean that up. It's horrendous. I need like an air can or something to blow that out. I'm gonna miss you, car. I think it was nice just having my car anyway, if it didn't work, because at least I got to go to places. Yeah. Okay, so it's been a couple weeks since that video you just saw, and just a little quick update on what's been going on. It's been probably a week and a half since I've dropped off the vehicle, maybe 2 weeks at this point, and haven't been told much. They've just been really backed up with the paint shop, so they haven't really even taken a look at my car. What they did tell me was that when they were like trying to remove the panel to start fixing it up or whatever, the car was in a previous accident, which I didn't know, and that panel was repaired also before, but there seems to be some rust that's on that panel. So depending on how deep the rust is on the actual panel itself depends on how much you're going to need to repair and how much the insurance is going to be willing to pay for the repair. It's a bit of like a circle. What I'm hoping to get done now, right now as a present moment, is have them, hopefully, fingers crossed, fix the vehicle. Just the side parts. I'm not gonna have them repair that side panel on the other side, which there was like some paint chipping off. Then I'm gonna fit the bumper. If they're able to fix it, I will fit the front bumper on, and I'll quote around for some places, maybe 3 places around, just to see how much they would charge me to get it painted and get those those washers cut out, and hopefully be able to transfer the wire like clips that hang on to like the headlight washers onto the new bumper. It's going to be a big process, and what kind of has me worried is that the longer this takes, the colder it gets out, and I don't have anywhere to work on this car. So I don't want to have to postpone this until spring or summer. I'd love to get this done now, but yeah, there's a lot of things going on, and since I don't have any transportation to like move around, and I'm like an hour away from home, yeah, we're gonna figure it out. But hopefully, fingers crossed, it's all good, and I won't be getting a check for my car, and I'll be able to actually finish my car build. But I'll see you guys in the next video.